It's a great day at Firefly Craft. Today we're doing a craft that is super fun, cheap, and easy. We're going to be putting heat transfer vinyl on a pane of glass. Now you might be asking yourself, why would I want to put heat transfer vinyl on a pane of glass? Let me give you a couple ideas. Have you ever wanted to put vinyl on your wall, but you're afraid of the commitment? Or you want it to look a little more finished with something around the edges? Well, if we put heat transfer vinyl on the pane of glass, remove the backing from the frame and hang it on the wall, then we have the finished edges of the frame around it and zero commitment except for the nail hole in the wall that we're going to hang the frame from. So that's my first reason to learn to do heat transfer vinyl on a pane of glass. Secondly, if you want to have it as a table center piece, you can put HTV on that glass and stand it right up. It really has a beautiful minimalist look, and you can add kind of whatever you want to the glass and keep it simple, make it fancy, however you like it. So let's get going. My pieces that we're going to put together today is this just plain little frame. You can get it at the dollar store, at Walmart, or you can get a really fancy one. It's up to you. So just a frame. I have this little piece of scrapbook paper in case you don't like the free floating feeling of just the glass with the frame. You can put a cute piece of scrapbook paper behind it. I'll show you what that looks like at the end. Then I've got our little decal that we're going to put on the glass. All right, so the first thing to do is take the glass out of the picture frame. Really super careful, of course, because you can obviously cut yourself on this glass. I'm going to place my decal on the frame. This one I'm going to place a little above center because of my scrapbook paper here. Well, I'll show you. It has flowers on the bottom, and so I'm going to put it a little higher up so that it falls kind of to the center of this yellow space, but you can put it wherever you want, of course. So with the decal on the frame, we're going to put it in the heat press. Now, a few things to be aware of. With glass, we really want to be careful with shattering. So I am not going to fully engage my heat press. When I pull that lid down, I'm just going to hold it on top of there rather than completely locking it down. And because of that, I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. I've got it turned up to 315 today. So I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit. We're going to be pressing it for 15 seconds. So I will just hold it for those 15 seconds. Ready? The glass is going to be hot. It carries the heat better than fabric does, so you want to be careful as you are peeling your heat transfer vinyl. We've got this lovely on here. I don't know if you can tell. It's beautiful. So let me put that in the frame, show you what it looks like. So I've got glass and my scrapbook paper. Back of the frame, and it'll just look like this. So hope you've loved this tutorial. Give it a thumbs up. Let us know what other tutorials you want to see by making a comment below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on future fun videos. Make it a crafty day.